All right, Module 3. Welcome to Module 3, Off-Page Optimization. This focuses on building a strong online reputation through tactics like link building, social media engagement, and guest blogging in order to draw people into your website. So first we discussed the website itself and all the intricacies in there with your tagging and content and things like that. This one is going to be other factors offline that draw people into the website in the first place and help build your domain authority and help you rank for various keywords based on how we use these tools. So I'm going to be touching on 5 different topics here. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to drop them in the group and I'll see you inside. Backlinks are important for building up not only your keyword diversity by writing about various different topics and utilizing new keyword sets. You can get recognized and indexed for those, meaning Google's going to see that and they're going to credit you for the keywords in that article. Whether it's a blog, a service page, location page, whatever. Any new content that they pick up, they're going to be looking at backlinks going to that content. So another way the backlinks help you is they increase your domain authority. So if I have a blog and I've sent it off and this particular online publication, blog, maybe it's another provider that I know and he likes me and he's willing to run that for me. If he has good domain authority, that trickles over to me because it's basically like a vote of confidence, or he's vouching for me in a way. So if I have 0 domain authority, I have a new site and my buddy's got a domain that's been around for a few years, he's got like 20 points, then I might get 2 or 3 points if he runs a blog linking back to my page because he's basically saying, yeah, go ask this guy, he's good at that. So that kind of helps you out. So you want to build quality, relevant backlinks. And by that, I mean, again, to harp on the plumbers, if you have a backlink or a guest post that's in the plumbing niche or in the city that you're in, that's relevant. So if I was a plumber in Houston and I have a blog that got picked up or a press release that got picked up by a local Houston-based news service, that works because it kind of makes sense to Google. Okay, he's a Houston-based plumber. That's a Houston-based small news outlet. Perfect. It makes sense. It doesn't make sense if I had a website from Australia that sells car stereos linking to a plumber in Houston. There's just no connection there, and Google's going to look at it and say, what the hell is this? And they're going to throw it in the trash. Links get burned really fast, and if you go to sites like Upwork or Fiverr, you're going to find that you're going to get a ton of spammy links that are in no way related to what you do or where you do it, and it's going to be a short-term sugar rush. You'll get a little spike, but then Google's going to say, what the hell is this garbage? And they're going to de-index it all, and you're going to lose it all. And you'll probably get penalized in the process for doing some spammy garbage like that. Google doesn't like that kind of stuff. They want everything to look organic. So use your common sense here. Don't go buying spammy links in Mandarin. It's not going to help you. It's going to hurt you. So with that said, you want to focus on a natural link acquisition through guest posting, which, like I said, have your buddy on it who owns another plumbing site in the area, have a local news service, something like that. You want to give them a well-written blog about a particular topic. Let's harp on water heater replacement a little more. So you have a nice little article, your buddy runs it over here, and that links back to you, gives you good quality domain authority, and helps you rank while building up authority for that particular keyword. So Google's going to see everyone keeps clicking on this link for water heater replacement and going to your site. So they're going to put one and one together and say, we should probably rank them better for that particular term because everyone's clicking this link to go to them for that service. Makes sense. Sometimes that prevails with them. Also, since he has good domain authority and I have a new site that doesn't have much, that's going to build my overall domain authority, build traffic, and increase my ranking for that target keyword. That's why guest posting is one of the top strategies that we recommend for backlinking or guest posting. You could also try influencer outreach if there's someone who's really influential in your space. Maybe try to get them to run one of your links, or just have a content partnership where you agree to link back to each other's website. Maybe we do a swap. I say, I'll run your article if you run mine. We'll help each other out. There's a couple different ways you could do this, but keep in mind, always focus on quality content, and you want it to be backlinking back to you by using the anchor text of the search term you want to rank better for. So if you want to rank better for water heater replacement, Edinburgh, Texas, That would be a great backlink. It's a long tail keyword, not a lot of competition. Undoubtedly, it's got a pretty good search volume behind it. So I would hyperlink that term in that article. Write about 800 words, one hyperlink, and then use that to get over there. And that'll help build the ranking for that particular keyword while building up your overall domain authority.